Ugh. It is pouring rain outside. It's so relaxing though. I slept in this parking lot last night, this Hampton Inn. I didn't know it was gonna rain. I don't really have anything planned today anyway, so. Stella, how'd you sleep? Anyways, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Seth, that's my dog Stella, and we live and travel out of this 2003 Ford Ranger. Merry Christmas, everyone. I'm actually back here in Nashville, and I've been spending time with my family. Okay guys, I got my Thai tea and I got my brown sugar oatmeal. But yeah, that's what I'm having for breakfast. I'm gonna eat, and then I have some very exciting news that I want to tell you guys. All right. All right, so as you guys know, for the last couple of weeks, I've been looking at like different trucks, different campers, RVs. What else have I looked at? Trailers. I've been looking at a ton of different stuff in the last few weeks, and I've been documenting the whole journey because, as you guys know, I'm trying to upgrade from this truck camper, and the reason is because there's just not a lot of room. Me and Stella, we are constantly cramped, and we need to upgrade very soon. So I've finally made my mind up, and I know exactly what I'm gonna do. I have decided that I'm finally gonna build my own custom truck camper for the Ranger. And I've been watching a ton of videos. I've been watching other people do it. I'm gonna throw up a few pictures on the screen of like some inspiration. I wanna do like a tiny cabin style truck camper, and it's gonna be really cool. I'm excited. A lot of you probably are wondering about the weight, the cost, and when am I gonna start building. So I'm gonna start building on Monday. So in 3 days, I'm gonna start building. And then also for the cost, I'm thinking it's gonna cost me around $2,500 to $3,000. I'm not completely sure, but I'm gonna stay as transparent as possible with you guys. I'm gonna show you all the receipts. I'm gonna add up all the materials and everything it costs me. And then at the end of the build, I'll tell you guys everything. And then as far as weight goes, my goal is to keep it under 500 pounds. My goal is to keep it under 500 pounds. I am gonna be building it out of wood. If I build it with 2x2s, like the frame, and then 1/4-inch pieces of plywood, I should be able to hit that goal. And mind you, I have no carpentry skills, so I don't know what I'm doing. This is gonna be my first time ever doing something like this, which is gonna make it so much more fun for me. I love to learn, and I think this is a perfect opportunity for that. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna be building my own custom truck camper for the Ranger. And like, I was also thinking to myself, like, while I was looking at all these new trucks and stuff, like, I don't need a new truck. Like, why would I spend all that money, possibly go into debt, just for a new truck when I don't need one? Like, this Ranger has taken me around the country, up to Canada. I've driven so many miles in this truck. There is no need for me to upgrade. Like, it just doesn't make sense. I might as well stay with the truck. What we do need is more space in the back, and there's gonna be a ton of room for both of us. So that's the plan. I'm starting Monday, and I'm gonna film the whole process for you guys. This is gonna be my last video in this truck camper. And then next week's video is gonna be me building and constructing a new camper for the Ranger Danger. And I think it's gonna come out great. So I'm excited to share the process with you guys. But yeah, anyways, guys, if you have like any recommendations, any advice, if you have like carpentry skills or whatever, please let me know down in the comments below, because this is my first time. I don't know what I'm doing. Like I said, I've watched a few videos, but it's gonna be a learning curve for me. But enough yapping. Let's continue on with our day. I don't really know what exactly I'm gonna do, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. It's been a chill day, haven't really done much. It's kind of cloudy, but later tonight I'm gonna find a spot and then we're gonna cook some dinner. $31.49 for gas. The gas here is actually really cheap. It's $2.39 for 87. It's actually really cheap for gas. But anyways, guys, it's getting pretty late, so I think I'm gonna try to find a spot for tonight. As you guys know, I live in Nashville, but there's not really many spots to like actually camp. So I'm gonna just try to find like a chill spot, maybe by the lake or something. I might look for like a marina that I can stay at. But yeah, I'll pick up the camera when I find a spot. All right, so it kind of started sprinkling outside. I think it stopped, but I already moved everything inside, so I'm just gonna cook in here. But I got the Mountain House chicken fried rice. It's freeze dried, so all you gotta do is add hot water and stir it, and then you got yourself a meal. So this is what we're gonna eat for tonight. And then also, we also got a freeze-dried ice cream sandwich. So that's gonna be pretty good to try. But before we do that, let's cook up dinner. This water was kind of boiling already, but it took me a minute to get in here, so we probably have to reboil it. That's pretty. So now we just pour. All right, so it says to reseal it and wait 5 minutes. All right, the truck is an absolute mess right now, but it's been 5 minutes. So we're gonna try this and see. It's kind of mushy. It's a little mushy, but I'm sure it'll taste good. I wonder if I put enough water. It's honestly not that bad. For chicken fried rice, freeze dried, it's not that bad. I really want to try this ice cream sandwich. I've never seen a freeze dried ice cream sandwich before. So this is going to be interesting. Look at that. That's pretty good. Dang, that tastes just like mint chocolate chip. That was pretty good. All right, let's finish dinner. And then let's start getting ready for bed. I'll catch you guys in 1 second. All right, guys. I just fell asleep for like 2 hours. But I'm exhausted. I'm tired, so I'm gonna go to bed. And yeah, I'll pick you guys back up in the morning. Hopefully we don't get kicked out. Pray to God. But I'll see you guys in the morning. This light is bright. Good morning, everyone. I didn't sleep too good last night. I stayed up until like 11:30, and I woke up at like 4, and then I went back to sleep, and I woke up at like 7. So I'm gonna get up and stretch out because my back is hurting. We slept at a marina. I was kind of worried that they were gonna kick me out last night, I'm not gonna lie, because everyone started leaving at like 10 o'clock. Luckily they didn't, and I'm like one of the only cars in the parking lot right now. I parked next to this semi. It worked out, so that's good. I think we're gonna walk down to the lake though and check that out. It's been raining the last few days, and I'm about to start building my truck camper, so I'm hoping that the weather clears up so I can do that. But I think this is a perfect place to end the video. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate all of your support. Hopefully after I get done with my truck camper, I can get back to a regular schedule. Appreciate every single one of you. I'll see you guys next week. And don't forget to stay saucy. Peace.